Hello, everyone over there at Mad Jack's Asphalt and Concrete. My name is Charles, and my colleague Jeff reached out to you last week, just asking if we can send over this video, which goes over a few recommendations that you can implement yourselves, no strings attached, to help you get more and more clients in the coming months. Why do I do this? You might be asking. I do this because number one, I've noticed a lot of business owners are way too busy to, and there's a quite a bit of a learning curve in this field. There's also a lot of information out there, information overload. It might get confusing when trying to learn what to do, what is effective, and there are tons of scammers out there. I'm sure myself, I'm sure you as well. You've received all very many emails with a lot of promises on what people can do. And so I just wanted to give you a few free tips just to prove myself. And if you like what you see, I have a lot of other tips up my sleeve and other tricks. And I'm hoping that we can partner together. Okay, so the things I want to talk about today are keywords, content, citations, and backlinks. And why is this important? This is important because 86% of people use Google to find local businesses. And I was just thinking, what would one person, one new client per month mean for you if you were optimized correctly? So I want to give you a few tips just to help you optimize yourself and get some clients coming in your direction, actually without advertising. So the first thing I want to talk about are keywords. Keywords are those things that people type, the phrases people type into Google. For example, if we're looking for a concrete company in Franklin, Tennessee, we'd type in something like this: concrete company, Franklin, Tennessee, or asphalt paving, Franklin, Tennessee. So when it comes to your website, make sure you're including these keywords on your website so that Google knows that you're relevant for these searches and will start to place you higher and higher in the search results for such a search. So that now when it comes to the second thing, content, make sure you include these keywords in the content. Now, what do I mean by content? Content is everything on your pages. All the words, the text, the pictures, the text behind the pictures. For example, if I try and see what certain images are saved as, I can tell that your pictures are named like this kickinasphalt.png. Make sure you save them with relevant keywords, things that people use to search for your services, so that these search engines can start to find you relevant and put you up front in these kinds of searches. Next thing I want to talk about, just one last thing about content. It's advisable to optimize with about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page, filled with authoritative content that shows exactly what you do, who you are, the locations you service, and sprinkled with those keywords, with the higher volume keywords that people are using to look for your services. Your back pages can be about 750 to 1,000 words as well, all your other back pages. But it's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text on your front page. So the next thing I want to talk about are citations. And citations have to do with this area of the search results called the map pack. Now, how do you get higher and higher here? Because if you click on more businesses, you'll see all the other businesses in the map pack. So it has a lot to do with citations. A citation is anywhere on the internet that your name, address, and phone number are cited on different directories online. And by directories, I mean directories like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yext, Dexnose, Superpages.com, Yellowpages.com, etc. There are tools out there that can help you research what citations your competitor has, and I would suggest to either double or triple the number of citations that they have so you stay on top of this map pack. And finally, the last thing I want to talk about are backlinks. A backlink is when another website links directly to you, sending traffic your way. So for example, if there was a forum on asphalt paving in Tennessee, in Nashville, Tennessee, and they had a website up with a link to your site, that's known as a good, healthy backlink. Google recognizes it's the same niche, and it's from a relevant, authoritative website, that's a strong backlink. Not all backlinks are the same. Imagine if it's a McDonald's here in Philadelphia linking to you guys. Google can tell that's a different niche. Locations are completely unrelated, and will count that as spammy. So whenever people say, "Hey, we can give you backlinks," or you see these emails, just make sure that they're giving you relevant backlinks and they're doing the research. So those are the 4 things I wanted to talk about: keywords, content, citations, and backlinks. And hopefully with that, if you implement these tips, you'll start to get higher and higher in the search results here and start to get more clients coming to you organically without advertising. Now, if you're interested, I just want one last thing to mention, which is the packages that we've come up with here at Warley Digital. And the reason is we found out that if we charge upfront fees, it tends to be, the sticker price is more expensive, and people shy away. These are our packages here, which are monthly packages. We've moved on to monthly pricing. So we have a basic package, which is just the fully optimized website build. Medium is a website and Google My Business profile optimization. Your Google My Business is this profile that shows up in the map pack. We will optimize it for you and provide 6 months of ongoing maintenance for a price of $650 a month. Now, keep in mind, the website alone is a $2,000 value. And the optimization alone is about $749 a month. We're trying to go for volume and therefore have reduced our prices. The complete package is what I suggest for everybody. And why do I do this? Because the complete package, not only does it have a website, but also Google My Business optimization and aggressive search engine optimization. This means on a monthly basis, we'll go in, research the backlinks that your competitors have. For example, the Summit Concrete, Tennessee. The tools out there that we can come and look at their backlinks. They have almost none, but no. And make sure that you have stronger and higher number backlinks. This is so that you can start ranking higher in the organic search results. That value for monthly search engine optimization and Google My Business profile optimization is a $1,500 per month value. So you get all of this plus your website at only $850 per month. On top of that, if you use a certain code, GET400 at checkout, you'll get $400 off your first month. If that's not a good deal, I'm not sure. All of this just so that you can get clients. And let me ask you one more time. What is it worth? What would your return on investment be from just 1 or 2 new clients per month? Thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed this, and you can take these tips. Feel free to use them. All I ask is for some feedback. Thank you.